everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you about a very famous but little known game, Sudoku. I know that many of you have heard about this game, but I can bet that few of you have known to play this game or have played it once in your lifetime. Some of the people think that these games need very much brain, or some people think that some mathematical expressions or calculations are needed to solve this game or solve this puzzle. But let me tell you, there's nothing such tough thing. Even anyone, even a child of class 2 can solve this puzzle because of these very simple rules. So, let me first tell you what is Sudoku, because many of you and many of us don't know that what the game actually is. So let us know something about Sudoku. What is Sudoku? Sudoku is a puzzle game designed for single players. The word Sudoku actually comes from a Japanese phrase containing words beginning with Su and Doku. Roughly translated, the phrase means the numbers must be single. This, of course, is referring to the basic rule of the game. The game was named in Japanese but was invented by an American named Howard Grants, who originally called it number place. Okay, so let's start with the game. Let me tell you that playing Sudoku, we need to follow a basic rule, that is, in each row and each column and each box of 9 square, there must be one number from 1 to 9, but the number should not be repeated. We can repeat no number. Okay, so first, another thing to tell you is that solving a Sudoku puzzle, the answer should be only one. That is, a Sudoku puzzle contains only one solution and there can never be another alternative of that solution. That turns to a thing that there should be a perfect and precise method to solve a Sudoku puzzle, because it is not a guessing one. Okay, so let's talk about the method. I want to tell you about the first method of the two methods of solving a Sudoku puzzle, which is a little easy. Okay, so let's start with the first box because it is convenient to start from the first. Here you can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. That means that we have to put 9 numbers in one box, 1 to 9. That means 4 numbers are missing. So we have to find those 4 numbers. Let's start with the first method, that is the cross hatching. You see, we have got 1. That means 2 is missing. So we need to find 2. How we will do it? You can say that we can put 2 in any of the boxes. But no, that's not the thing to play in. Well, it is a puzzle, so we should solve it with little intelligence. As I have told you earlier, that one column and one row should have only one number, cannot be repeated, and obviously one box also should have the same thing. So let's say that in a column or a row, there cannot be a number more than one time. So as you can see that I have highlighted the 2's. So if you consider this box, then there is a 2 in this row. So this box cannot be considered to have 2. Let's consider the next box, this box. This box also have a 2 in this column, so this box cannot be considered. So we can see that there are 1 and 2 boxes left for number 2. Then how can we decide that in which box we should keep the number? So as we cannot decide about number 2, we will leave it and we will move to the next number, that is number 3. Let's highlight number 3. What we got? In this column there is number 3, in this column there is number 3, and in this row there is number 3. So we have got 2 boxes left, but we cannot decide that which box is convenient to give number 3. See, the simple rule is that unless and until you get a sure box for a single number, you cannot put it there by your assumption. So we have not got a single box for number 3. Let's move to the next number. We have got number 4, we have got number 5. What's the next number? It's 6. So let's highlight number 6. What we got? That in this column there is number 6, in this column there is number 6. So which two columns are left? This one and this one. But unfortunately we cannot stay with this odds. Okay, what's the next number? Number 7. Let's move to number 7. See, number 7 is in this column, this row. Number 7 is in this row. Number 7 is in this row. So we have another two boxes. So we cannot put number 7. It's 9. So unfortunately we cannot put any number now. For now we cannot put any number in this first box. Let's move to the second. In this box we are seeing that only 2 boxes are left to be filled. I think it will be quite easy for us, hopefully. So we have got number 1. We need to find number 2. So let's highlight it. We see that number 2 is in this column, number 2 is in this column. So what's the column left? Obviously this one. So let's put number 2 here. See, it's written. Simple rule. When we got only one column left for number 2, we got set it there. And this matched very good. And you can see that in this column, no number 2 is still being fitted, and not in this row, and not even in this box. See, it is not in this row, not in this column, and not in this box. So this is done. Next, what is the number? We have 3, we got 4, we got 5, we got 6, but we haven't got 7. But you can see that there are no other boxes left in this box square, so we will give it number 7 here. Obviously it will fit the box, and you can see that in this whole column there is no number 7, in this whole column there is no number 7. Okay, so let's move to another box. Here we see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 columns left to be setted. So let's start from here. We have 1, we got 2, we need to find 3. So let's see where is 3. 3 is in this row, so this one cancelled. 3 is in this row, so this one cancelled. So 3 is in this row, so this one also cancelled. And what is the box left? Obviously this one. So we will put 3 here. See, it has been done. Okay, so now we can understand how it can be solved. So let's solve all the other boxes very quickly. So now we have almost solved the puzzle and very few boxes are left. So let's go to this box. We see that there is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to find number 5. Let's highlight number 5. So you can see that in this row I've got number 5, in this row I've got number 5, and this column has got number 5. So what is the one thing that is left? So this box. So we'll put 5 here. Right? The next 5, 6, 7, 8. We need to find 8. So let's highlight 8. We have got 8 in this column, 8 in this column, and 8 in this column. So which is left? Obviously this box. So we have cleared this box. Next one. Here we can see there is only one column left, so we can be sure that the number missing will be in this box. We've got 1, 2, 3. We have not got 4. So 4 will be in this column. These are some common senses. Next, go to the last box. Here we see that there is no 1. So let's see about 1. So we have got 1 in this row, 1 in this row, and 1 in this row, 1 in this row. So which is the one left? Obviously this box. Got it. We need to find number 2 too. So this row has got number 2, this row has got number 2. Then which is the one left? It is this box. We have got 3, we need to find 4. So 4. This one. Oh, we have got 4. Then we have got 5, we have got 6, we need to find 7. So 7 in this column, 7 in this column, 7 in this column, 7 in this row. So which one we have to find? This is 7. So now we've got some common sense that we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So what is the missing number? Number 8. So try it by yourself, and best of luck. luck. And if you really want something to know about the Sudoku, you can comment it on my video and I will surely try to reply to your comment. Thank you for watching this video. Please try to subscribe our channel, and if you liked our videos, then please give a thumbs up.